Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and open today's vlog. I'm here on my parents' property today, 140 acres of land. And the second thing is that we're gonna be getting hit with a snowstorm that's hitting most of Virginia, Pennsylvania, and the surrounding states. That's about to start in the next 2-3 hours. We're at like 2 o'clock now as I start filming today. And this snowstorm is aiming to hit somewhere between 4 and 5 o'clock. So that's going to be pretty cool. Like I said, 140 acres of land here. So if you've been following us, you'll know that me and my wife have been talking about building on the land. And we're looking to put that house right up this way. I'm going to walk up there. We don't have a cornfield. The last time we were up here, we had a cornfield here, which kind of didn't give us a true idea of what our view would be from like a front porch. Yeah, kind of check it out here. There is no snow on the ground yet. I believe we're getting anywhere from 4 to 6 inches. I might have to correct that, but the last time I heard it was about 4 to 6 inches of snow. We're just walking up through what would have been a cornfield this summer. This is actually pretty cool to see this without the cornfield, that's for sure. And it's hard to show you this on camera, but you can just see down over the fields here. You can see over to the other hillsides, and this would technically be our view up here. You might ask, what is this dirt road that comes back into here? And I'll show you that in just a second. But this is the land that we look to build on right here. So it is. That's not completely flat, but it's not too bad. Workable. But like I was saying, the dirt road here, what that leads to, I don't know how close we can build to one of these, so there's a lot of details that we got to figure out. But this is a gas well at the other end of this dirt road. There is tons of details to figure out as we move forward on this journey. Stage 1 right now is us just getting moved up here, getting into a rental in a nearby place, and then getting our job situated, and then from there we can start the process of looking into building a house here right on the family farm. As this winter storm comes through here, I am cold. I had a hoodie on under here earlier, but when it picked up pretty thick here and we only have so much daylight, I was like, I got to get the drone out. I got to get some drone footage. Let me know in the comments what you think of the drone footage. Well, good morning, guys, and we didn't quite get as much snow as I thought we were gonna get. Instead of 4 inches, we're now up to 8 inches of wonderful, beautiful snow. I really don't have the shoes for this, but we're gonna make do at this point. The snow plows, they have been up and down these roads already. What is going on?
Here, set it up there. Hey, you gotta set it down.
What is going on? So if you guys remember correctly, we had some plans canceled towards the beginning of January. So what's happening right now is we're getting ready to celebrate some Christmas in the middle of January. So the fact that it's snowing outside and just hanging with family works out. It works. We have a white Christmas.
Where's Teddy? Where's Teddy at?
I need to go downstairs.
Did you find Teddy?
Yeah, you found Teddy.
I found Teddy?
Yeah, and mine didn't say birthday now.
No, this is Christmas. Your birthday's still a ways away.
This says to Serenity from Aunt Susie. You like this one? Well, let's see.
What you got, Ollie?
What is it?
Way to go!
What is it? Is that water balloons?
Yeah, water balloons.
And somehow you pump them up to fill them up.
Yeah, to fill them up.
We probably should save that for a sunny day.
Yeah,
Okay.
but there's sun out there now.
Then we gotta go for a warmer day. How's that?
Yeah.
Say it's gotta be 60 degrees.
Oh boy. There you go. Okay.
Okay, now you can start pulling stuff out.
Oh.
Ooh.
Where's that one from?
Aunt Susie.
Ooh. Oh. Wow.
There you go. Look in there. Look in there. Can you get in it?
Wow. I can see
Go
something.
ahead. Go ahead, pull it out.
This is for baby buzzer. It's for baby buzzer. It's so cute. Oh, and look at this for baby buzzer. They're like this.
That's a toy for him to grab.
Yeah.
It is.
Okay.
Oh, Mickey Mouse story! And it got Mickey Mouse on it! Ooh, it's a Mickey Mouse story for me!
All right.
So that was to the
It says to the family, so you gotta share it with Ollie and have Mommy and Daddy read it to you.
That's a weird picture.
She's liking the book.
Ooh!
Look at all the pictures. Oh, wow.
All the pictures are
I
pretty.
guess it's going to let you. That's to you.
Yeah.
This is to you.
What'd you get, Oliver?
Okay.
Oh, look at that. That's cute. He has a hoodie. Or, well, a sweater.
Look at this. Nice outfit, huh? Woo!
Woo! Mickey Mouse! For him.
You helping him?
Woo!
Wait. There you go, Ollie. Looky.
Woo! Those are so pretty.
And then this is...
Well,
What's
let's
it say?
Well,
says
Heather will like this
Serenity.
one.
Yep, I did.
Yay.
And I figured, which one did I get you?
Red Lobster, which I will like.
Yeah, I knew you'd like that one too.
It's Mom and Dad.
This is from Mom and Dad. Who's Mom and Dad?
I don't know.
My Mom and Dad?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, wow.
So in my gift here, Shadow Family, I got some of those wireless microphones that you did a review on, so we're gonna give those a try. Maybe I can make good videos like you do. We'll see. An adapter for my iPhone, so we'll see how that works out as well. For making it easy to put different medias into my iPhone.
Look at it.
We'll get to yours.
You got it,
Hang on a minute.
Ollie. And the other reindeer.
A fox. But looky here, hey.
Cool. Huh?
That's, what letter is this? On a shelf somewhere. Yeah.
This is not a play toy doll, okay?
Okay.
And this is not a regular thing either.
So this was a little late Christmas for us. Thank you to all the family members that gave us gifts. I'll miss someone if I call them all out. That way I'm not wearing the same shirt all the time in my videos.
You've got the same one.
You want to save these gifts for next Christmas?
No.
No?
No.
So I'm just finishing up and I'm opening up this gift my parents got me. It is a wireless microphone. In the past I've used this Zoom H1N. That's what I've used in the past, but this is just a nice addition to add to our videos because you can get it right into the camera and you're not having that extra audio source to work with. Alright guys, my dad's out here shoveling some snow. This is a test with the new microphone. The secret is not to face the wind. Face away from the wind, that way it doesn't hit the microphone. If I had my my microphone on here right now, none of this audio would be usable. I've been in many case scenarios where I need to use an actual lavalier microphone because of the wind. There was the time at the beach when I was closing out the beach video. That was the time that all the audio that I used came from the lavalier microphone. The nice thing with this microphone setup, and I'll leave a link in the description, is that in a case scenario like this where the wind is just blowing, I normally get some better audio off the lavalier microphones because I can keep it out of the wind. So we'll see how that works out. But the wind is blowing. We're gonna be bringing our day to an end, and I really can't tell whether it's snowing at this point or if the wind is just blowing snow everywhere, but just check this out. The only other downfall to using this microphone would be that I would never know whether one of the batteries die. I'm like looking at it and trying to figure out, and there's no audio levels for the Canon M50 at the bottom, just bouncing around to let me know that I have some audio. But guys, as we wrap up today's video, and as much as I want to get the drone out and do a little bit more flying, maybe I'll do a little bit more flying and add some of that here at the end. But there's going to be no drone flying at this point. It just isn't going to happen with all this wind. This is some good wind. We're the Roberts, it'd be a good wind test for the drone, that's for sure. So, but we appreciate everyone that has participated in watching our videos and supporting us here on the channel. We thank you for that. We thank you for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. And guys, until next time, we'll catch you in our next video. Close it out here, guys. I should give you a sneak peek at dinner tonight. We are having some venison, some deer meat, as my camera fogs up.